Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to calculate calories and percentage of calories. When we are looking at from exam point of view, it is a very important concept. In ACE Certified Personal Trainer exam, you will get minimum 4 to 5 questions. Recently I passed my health coach exam also from ACE, and I had minimum 5 to 6 questions from this chapter called nutrition. So here I have taken one example of nutrition facts from the book of health coach, chapter 8 nutrition, and another book of exercise, essentials of exercise science, chapter 4. So that we are on the same page. You can refer to that page right now when you are watching this video, so that you can understand, calculate while I am also doing the calculations. So before we start calculating the calories, please remember that calories values per gram are, in case of fat, per gram there are 9 calories. In case of alcohol, per gram there are 7 calories. In case of carbs, per gram there are 4 calories. And in case of protein, there are 4 calories per gram. So now when we are starting to learn about how to calculate the total calories, I will be referring to this particular nutrition facts as given in the chapter 4 of essentials of exercise science and chapter 8 of health coach manual. So here you can see that 4 servings per container information is given. Serving size is half cup, that is 114 gram per serving. Amount per serving calories is basically 90 calories. Total fat is 3 gram. Total carbs are 13 gram, which includes dietary fiber of 3 gram, and total sugar 10 grams, includes added sugar 7 gram, and protein is 3 gram. So if we have to calculate total calories, we have to see calories per serving and the total number of servings. Both we have to multiply. So if I have to calculate the number of calories from this information, the total number of calories will be calories per serving is 90 multiplied by total servings 4. So it comes to 360. You can do the calculation along with me so that you are able to understand in a better manner. Now, if I have to calculate calories from carbs or protein or fat, how to go about it? First, if I have to do the calculation for calories from carbs, I will be doing like this: quantity of carbs multiplied by 4 calories per gram. So here in this serving we have 13 gram calories from carbs multiplied by 4 calories per gram. So it comes to 52 calories. 52 calories from carbs. Same way, if I have to calculate the number of calories from protein, I will see protein 3 gram. So we will write here 3 multiplied by 4 calories per gram. It comes to 12 calories from protein. And in case of fat, the number of calories will be like fat is 3 gram, but here we have to multiply with 9 because 9 calories per gram. So it will be 27 calories. To repeat, calories from carbs is 13 gram multiplied by 4, 52 calories from carbs. From protein, 3 gram multiplied by 4 calories per gram, 12 calories. Fat, 3 gram multiplied by 9 calories per gram, so 27 calories. Now, when we have to calculate percentage of calories from carbs, the total number of calories from carbs is 52. We have to divide this by total number of calories, that is 91. You will see here when I have calculated calories from carbs, it comes 52, from protein 12 and from fat 27. So the total is 91, not as given in the book 90, because in the book it has been rounded to 90 instead of writing as 91. So when I calculate it like this, 52 divided by 91, it comes to 57%. How much? There are 57% calories from carbs. Similar way, we can calculate the number of calories, percentage of calories from protein as well as fat. So now I will calculate the percentage of calories from the protein. So we have total number of calories from protein 12. 12 divided by total number of calories, that is 91. When I calculate, it comes to 13%. 13%. So these 13% calories are from protein. In case of fat, the number of calories is 27 divided by 91. So 27 divided by 91, it comes to 29.6. So I will round off to 30%. So the total number of calories, percentage of calories from fat is 30%. So this way you can get the calculation done. If you have liked the video, please share it with others so that they can also understand the concept. And in the next video, I would like to cover the concept of daily calorie deficit needed to achieve desired weight loss in set time frame, which is another important concept, and you will receive definitely 3 to 4 questions. I had 3 to 4 questions in my test, and when you are in exam mode, you are really stressed and you are not able to figure out which figure will go where, and lots of practice is required to attempt these sums properly and in short period of time. So do practice and let me know in the comment section whether you like the video or not. Thank you so much.